Alright, we got 2 Party Slayers by Big, 1 Hit the Road Jack, 2 Avengers by Big, 1 Hit the Road Jack by Brothers. Then we got some Open Grave, tire. Open Grave, 200 gram cakes by Big, or it's by Black Label. And then we got some Encore by Big, 200 gram cake. Another 2 Avengers. Hit the Road Jack, Party Slayer, 200 gram, Hit the Road Jack. Who that? What up, Star? How you doing, babe? All right. Then we got a Blue Angel by Big. And then what is that shit? A Redneck Toolbox dip by Big. 2 Party Slayers, Zip Ties by Big. That's another part of the Redneck Toolbox. 2 Party Slayer, 200 gram duct tape by Big. 6-pack of beer, Party Slayer, shotgun, Party Slayer Avenger. 5th of whiskey. That's a part of the Redneck Toolbox. Then a Brothers. Then the Hillbilly Blast. That's a nice one right there, like 30 shots. Hillbilly Blast. All right. Then we got Avenger over here. Blue Angel. 2 Avengers, 200 grams of Hillbilly Blast. Then Avenger, Hillbilly Blast. Basically, we gotta just mirror. I'm not shooting a lot of cakes this year. I'm just shooting more mortars. Shooting like 700 mortars. Or 780, something like that. This is a Blue Angel by Big.
I messed with the box that you have to fix it real quick.
That's what block?
Put a hole in the floor.
Oh, as long as you didn't,
go look at it.
All right. An Avenger, Hillbilly. And these are my racks. 165 shots. 165 shots. 165 shots. 165 shots.
Did I mess it up?
No.
I was moving the canopy so it don't catch fire in a
Yeah, that's fine. You good? Great. All right.
You gonna start?
No, I got it.